company got a rousing welcome after the T20 World Cup winning team landed in New Delhi earlier this morning. In fact, cricket fans thronged the streets, airport and the hotel where Team India is camped at the moment. Times Network's Karishma was at the ITC Moria earlier today, where fans were waiting with bated breath to get a glimpse of the players as they leave for PM Modi's residence.
I'm currently at ITC Moria, where everyone is waiting with bated breath for the Indian team to come down, just to show you a glimpse of the fan following that is here for the Indian team. There are fans waiting very, very patiently for the Indian team to come in and to celebrate with them, and we'll of course try and speak to them as well. There is this girl who is in the India jersey as well. How excited are you that Team India has won the World Cup? It was a long time coming.
I think winning the cup after such a long drought, and especially after last year, it was quite emotional for a lot of people. And it's great to see them get the cup home.
It's great to see them get the cup home. We can see India flags as well here in people's hands. They're obviously very, very excited. A big flag here, a big India flag here. I'm going to talk to ma'am as well. Ma'am, how would you describe this moment? India has won it after 2007. This is our second T20 World Cup.
It is excited to see them, and we are just waiting for them to come down and meet them.
You are just here to catch a glimpse of the cricketers?
Yes. We flew down from California 2 days back, and now when we heard that they are coming, I'm so excited. It's getting me goosebumps. I'm super excited.
These people are here from California and they're waiting here outside ITC Moria to get a glimpse of the cricketers. That's what cricket does to this country. That's how loyal the fans are to the sport. And I can also tell you that, while we were on that flight back home from Barbados to India, all the cricketers wanted was to get on the home turf. They were very, very, finicky about being in Barbados 2-3 extra days. They did not want to, of course, be stranded. They all wanted to just come back home and celebrate with their people, because they knew what was waiting for them at home. And we saw that in the morning at the Delhi airport. There is a big day planned for them in Mumbai. Just once again showing you ITC Moria live visuals. The lift is right in front of me from where the cricketers are going to come down, where the cake is, and where these fans can get a glimpse of their favorite cricketers.
All right, lots of fervour, and in just a few hours from now in Mumbai is where we will be seeing all the action on Marine Drive close to Wankhede Stadium. No doubt, nothing but big smiles, joy and triumph as we welcome home the T20 champions. All right, that aside then, let's also find out how things are shaping up in New Delhi outside the Prime Minister's residence as well, because do remember the team is all set to meet the Prime Minister. What can we expect? Shivani joins in. Shivani.
Very natural for every Indian to get excited, and I'm also thrilled. We were there at the airport in the morning where thousands of fans had gathered to welcome Team India, their heroes, with the cup in their hands, and the whole environment was just ecstatic, euphoric, so energetic. And right now I'm at the Prime Minister's residence, where the Team India will be hosted by the PM in some time from now. It will be a 1.5 long interaction where a special breakfast has been organized for Team India. We already know that Prime Minister has spoken to the team leaders, the captain and the players after they lifted the cup in Barbados. But today this will be a special connect between the Prime Minister and the players, a special interaction of course. And before they'll be leaving for Mumbai for a victory parade, they will be interacting with the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister is known to encourage the players, not only today, but last year. Remember when we had missed that cup? That time also Prime Minister had spoken to the players and he encouraged them. He has been speaking to Olympic players, but today is a very different day, a very different feeling, a historic moment after 1983, 2011, 2017 and 2024. Dates that have been already etched into the history of India, and this is every Indian's cup. So every Indian is taking pride in it. Everybody is so happy. Cricket unites India. Cricket is the religion of the country. That is just actually very difficult to be expressed how India feels about cricket. So
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.